that's the vision of modern enterprises, right? I mean, it's something that I tell all our customers is that, but if you look at the modern data centers, or even on the cloud, like, people are running VMs in a one control plane today. Like there's a legacy architecture, and then the containers in another control plane, in another, like Kubernetes, right? But now you have these islands of infrastructure with different software orchestrators that proliferate, and it makes what an already an IT environment that is very complex, it makes it even more complex, right? So what generally great enterprise IT organizations try to continue to simplify their architecture is a journey, the transformational journey, right? So standardizing on OpenShift, which is Kubernetes based, and standardizing on that virtualization to get off of legacy VM platforms makes absolute sense, because that's your journey to continue to simplify, right? To go to containers.
And you think about it, you've got your hybrid cloud with OpenShift, running your hybrid workloads, whether they're VMs or containers, with your Portworx there's running the layer over like whatever underlying stories there might be, pure or other. And then you're setting yourself up for the future of modernization, where you're modernizing your storage, you're also modernizing, you're getting a real return on investment once you start going to cloud native development and containers, where now, hey, instead of taking a week to deploy an application, you're going to deploy it in 5 minutes. Instead of taking a week to scale application or a VM, like maybe again, you can do it in like 5 minutes, or it can happen automatically. That's where you start getting the real like TCO and ROI benefits.
Yeah, I mean, Ed, you nailed it, right? So take it to hybrid cloud, then now you have the same control plane for not just your data center on-prem assets, but hey, your cloud infrastructure too.
Yeah.
That is the real power of Kubernetes, right? So when people have this opportunity to look at new alternatives for legacy virtualization platforms, I think Kubernetes and OpenShift Virtualization is a no-brainer, right? Added that with Portworx, now you're hybrid cloud ready, you're running the data center, and we can, of course, we run on top of Pure. We have best-in-class integrations, but we can also run on top of other vendors too, right? And you can essentially replicate that architecture in the cloud and then be hybrid cloud ready, within a matter of, within a day, right?
Yeah.
Essentially.